Nails in the Fence, a story about anger. There once was a little boy who had a bad temper. His father gave him a bag of nails and told him that every time he lost his temper, he must hammer a nail into the back of the fence. Over the next few weeks, as he learned to control his anger, the number of nails hammered daily gradually dwindled. He discovered holding his temper was more accessible than driving those nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when the boy didn't lose his temper at all. He told his father about it. And the father suggested that the boy now pull out one nail each day so he could hold his temper. The days passed, and the young boy finally told his father that all the nails were gone. The father took his son and led him to the fence. He said, "You've done well, my son, but look at the holes in the fence. The fence will never be the same. When you say things angrily, they leave a scar like this. You can put a knife in a man and draw it out. It won't matter how often you say, 'I'm sorry.' The wound is still there, and a verbal wound is just as nasty as a physical one." So what are the learnings? 1. The impact of uncontrolled anger. The story of nails in the fence emphasizes the significant impact of uncontrolled anger on ourselves and others. Just as the boy's temper drove nails into the fence, our unchecked anger can lead to hurtful actions and words that leave lasting scars on those around us. It poignantly reminds us that anger can cause long-term damage, and learning to manage and control our emotions is essential. 2. The power of self-control and patience. As the young boy learned to control his anger, he gradually reduced the number of nails he hammered into the fence. This teaches us the value of self-control and patience in dealing with emotions. Instead of reacting impulsively in moments of anger, we should learn to take a step back and find healthier ways to express ourselves. Self-control empowers us to handle challenging situations with composure and avoid causing harm to ourselves and others. 3. Healing and forgiveness. The father's advice to pull out one nail for each day the boy held his temper represents the concept of healing and forgiveness. It shows us that it is possible to mend the wounds caused by anger and hurtful words with time and effort. However, the scars left behind remind us of our actions' impact, and they encourage us to be more mindful and compassionate in our interactions. The story highlights the importance of seeking forgiveness and striving to rectify the damage caused by anger and impulsivity. Like, subscribe, and share the video if it resonates with you. Bye from Venkat.